Watermelon is one of those fruits that's good by itself.
It's hydrating, it's so versatile, it's adult and kid friendly.
But we're taking this already tasty treat and making it even better with recipes from Stacy Weber, owner of Eat by Stacy Weber. Starting off with a great appetizer, grilled watermelon sticks and dip.
Make your strips, like big smiley faces.
Okay.
And go all the way across this way, and then you're basically just going to go across the other direction.
Oh, look at that!
There you have it.
Then pop those sticks on the grill.
We actually did a little bit of habanero
yeah.
spice, or you could do tahini on it.
So what is this delicious yogurt sauce that we have here?
I like to use lime and lime zest, honey and yogurt.
Oh my God, oh, it's got that kick. I told you, it's spicy. It is, but there's the sweet of the watermelon, so it kind of balances it out. I love this.
This next recipe has our watermelon taking the place of fish with a watermelon poke bowl. To start, dice your melon into small cubes to mimic the look of fish used on poke bowls. Next, select your base.
You can use rice if you want.
Okay.
I just prefer mixed greens. We'll add our cucumber. We'll do the watermelon.
This is our superstar.
Pickled ginger.
Then add toasted pepitas, cashews, or peanuts.
We have our avocado. I like to do a little of these fun sesame seeds. Green onion.
Add cilantro, then sauce it up.
It's soy or tamari based sauce, and then it's got some chili flakes in there, some sesame oil, a little bit of agave just to sweeten it up a touch, and also sesame seeds and ginger in there.
And enjoy.
That is so delicious.
Our last recipe is a watermelon margarita.
Watermelon is hydrating, so let's drink our watermelon.
Start your marg with frozen watermelon and strawberries.
Do a few sprigs of mint. It just adds a little bit of a refreshing kick.
Okay.
Then add in your tequila of choice and blend.
That's so refreshing.
We're cheersing to summer with these fresh twists on watermelon.